Hey everybody, welcome back to My Physical World, where I also create scenery for Microsoft Flight Simulator using free resources. This is primarily a thank you video because you guys have been an unbelievable support. You really have. We have, we, this channel has reached 1,000 subscribers, which is has never been in my sight at all. I was flabbergasted to have 200 subscribers a while back. This channel is a niche market. I think most of you understand what that means. It means that there's not very many people that watch these kind of videos. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Anyway, you guys know me. I can talk forever, and but you guys seem to cut through that chase and get to the parts of the videos that are of interest to you. And I know my videos are long most of the time. Basically, to be honest with you, I just hit record and go. I don't edit videos. I have a few videos that I have attempted to edit. I'm not good at it. But I just have to say thank you because you guys can go anywhere. You guys can, some of you have actually even subscribed to the channel that have your own channel. And you guys are far more superior than I am at your gift of using the SDK, of using Blender. You guys inspire me. I'm just this old man that's sitting at my desk doing this stuff, and I look at you, and I'm going to tell you, I look at a lot of you younger people out there doing this stuff, and I am amazed at your talent. But yet you're taking the time to come to this channel and watching this old man struggle through this technology. Now, first of all, I don't struggle with technology because my generation helped invent this technology. I've been using computers for 40 years, if not, well, my first computer was 1980, which was the first IBM personal computer. Now I know that Commodore and all that preceded the IBM PC, but anyway, I've been in this a very long time. But the kind of stuff that you see on this channel, a lot of it, most of it is SDK, flight simulator stuff. But if you'll notice that on this channel, there's a lot of physical science videos. I started out doing lectures on physical science. But those videos were a lot of editing and all that kind of stuff. They're not very good. They're informative, but they're not production quality stuff. That was back when I was actually trying to learn Blender and use it for that type of activity. But I'll tell you some more about myself. I've been a cartographer slash geospatial scientist for 40 years. I specialize in satellite damage assessment, such as tornado damage, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, wildfires, that kind of stuff. I'm a physical scientist. I understand geology and volcanism and things like that. That's what I went to university for. I train first responders, storm spotters, that kind of stuff, in using geographic information systems for doing that type of analysis. For those that join the channel for the flight simulator stuff, the GIS tutorials and videos that I do, you'll find those relatable to Flight Simulator, because without that technology, Flight Simulator would not exist, because especially 2020, it is highly dependent on geographic information systems. And a little history, we know that Flight Simulator uses Bing. Bing Maps was formerly known as TerraServer, which was the first worldwide mapping platform for satellite imagery. Okay, it preceded Google. The only thing is that Google surpassed them in the use of the technology, and they have a huge fleet of vehicles and aircraft and stuff that go out and try to keep the stuff up to date. To do that worldwide is pretty tough. They do also access that data by acquiring it from local governments who do their aerial flights every year or every other year or so, depends on their budget. So what I'm saying is that the GIS stuff, the physical science stuff that I do on this channel, can also be related to Microsoft Flight Simulator in one way or the other. You guys have been fantastic in watching these videos. It's hard to believe I have 1,000 subscribers on this channel now. And I'm close enough to the 1,000 that I'm realistic, knowing that I'll drop below 1,000 for a while and then come back to 1,000, because people will get bored with my stuff and they'll leave, and then I'll get somebody else, which is fine. My videos are usually long, drawn out stuff, but you guys pick and choose the parts that you want to see, and I totally get that. I understand that. You know, I know what the average views for my videos are, and they're nowhere near the length of the video. I don't expect everybody to watch them all the way through. But you guys have been awesome in picking out the stuff that's useful to you, because I want to make your hobby and your endeavors better. And like I said, there are a lot of other channels that are far superior than mine, and I thank you for taking the time to view my stuff. That's pretty cool. You guys also have been wonderful in buying me a coffee. Buymeacoffee.com. You know, it's kind of a, you know, small donations here and there, and I think that's just fantastic that you guys would want to send me a couple bucks every once in a while. That I don't understand that concept. But thank you very much. You guys have been fantastic, and I hope that I can continue to get you stuff out there that you want to see. I am going to continue doing the tutorials for the SDK and Blender and Krita, all those free resources. But just so you know, for you Flight Simulator people, that those GIS stuff that I put out there is relatable, because I am a cartographer and there's maps in Flight Simulator. For those that are here for the physical science stuff, the stuff that I do with Blender and Krita for the Flight Simulator is relatable to what you guys do. It's spatial. It's geography. I have been using ArcGIS, well, since Jack Dangerman pretty much almost founded the company. I've been using that product ever since it hit the public market, and I love to educate people on that technology. It's pretty cool. Now, um, I've changed I've changed the room that I'm in. I moved to a guest room in our house to be a little bit more productive than where I was in my little cubicle in the corner of our house. So the scenery behind me is a lot different. There's a guest bed right there and stuff. But the scenery behind me will change a little bit, but hopefully you guys will enjoy the continuing content. Um, for you flight simulator people, we're going to get back to the Timken hangar that we're working on. Matter of fact, I'm overviewing it today. I found some new some new images of the hangar that are going to help. Matter of fact, let's bring that up. So I found a new image of the Timken hangar that I can use for making changes to the hangar. So we'll be looking at that in the next upcoming video. Such as this screen. I thought it was a wall, but it's actually a fence screen that goes around the fuel tank. The building now has a steel cover over the concrete blocks, so I'll have to remodel that wall. And I got a better picture of the roof. It's not as torn up as some of the other pictures that I saw of it. So they've put a new roof on that structure. So we'll be modeling that in an upcoming video. I will be doing some more GIS videos as well. But this video today, again, I'm getting long-winded and I want to stop. This video today was just to say thank you. To thank you for subscribing to the channel, for your unwavering support that you've given me. And I want to let you know that you guys have truly blessed me. I never thought that I would reach this point, this milestone. Will Google start, or you Google/YouTube will they ever send me money? I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. I guess they say that it's like what, less than half a cent a view, which is fine. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to give you content that you're interested in. If you want to put requests in, please do do in the comments. What kind of stuff do you want me to do? I may have to learn it myself first, but put in the comments the kind of content that you guys want to see, whether it's flight simulator related, whether it's GIS software related, whether it's physical geography or physical science related, tornadoes, whatever, volcanoes. What kind of videos do you want me to add to this? I want to try to make this channel yours. But like I said, I understand that there's people out there that do this a lot better than I do, that have way more talent than I do. But I just want to let you guys know that you guys have blessed me. Thank you very much. And I will see you on the next video. You guys have a great day. See you later.